You never know what quite to expect down here at 79th, and I'm always filled with firsts when we come down here. Kind of like this one. This is the first time I've seen these guys, basically somebody pump their boat up at the boat ramp. I mean, I know it can be done, but you would assume that you would probably want to do this in the parking lot, possibly before you got the boat down here. But we're going to load our adult beverages, and we're going to get on our way. And this crew's about to head out to Biscayne Bay, and oh, we got a little fall already, and we haven't even started the drinks yet. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I am your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions, and we are back down here at 79th, and we've got one pull, and we're off. And this crew's all smiles. They're pretty happy to be heading out here. I wonder if they're sneaking out and didn't tell their wives. I sure hope they're not watching, but they'll enjoy their evening out there on Biscayne Bay. And our crew's pulling in here, but we've got something that's broken away, and this is not uncommon down here at 79th, because nobody uses lines on the jet skis. They just run them up onto the concrete and think they're going to stay there. And this one has broken free. And our crew here looks like they're bound and determined to rescue this freed ski. Now, how does this work down here at 79th? So, if this crew rescues the ski, is it now their ski? I mean, I know that's not the case, but I don't see anybody running down the docks to try and save this either. So, like, the person whose ski it is probably doesn't even realize it's gone at this point. I mean, these guys on the boat, in theory, probably could just back right on out of here with the ski and nobody'd ever be the wiser. But our guy's on the ski, and he's going to hang on to the boat, and we're going to see if they can back this one in and get it back down to the dock. But it's just always interesting to me on this one, like, because the skis are crazy down here. I mean, literally nobody ever ties them up. Usually once every time we're down here, somebody's ski floats away. And nobody's ever in a rush to go grab them either. Like I said, you can tell here still there's nobody running down this dock trying to track this ski down. It's not like somebody, so this person left it and they're not even close enough to realize that the ski's gone yet. Or maybe they are and they see this guy's grabbing it and they're kind of hiding, so they don't give themselves away until he gets it back on the dock because they don't want to have to go out there and get it. But our captain looks like he's going to bring it back in, and we're going to shoot for 3 to get the ski and their boat in. Looks like they're going to have an easy enough time. The wind and current's not too terrible here today. There is a little bit of wind and current, but they should be okay. And our captain looks like he's getting ready to go out for the reach, and we're on to the dock. And, you know, once again, I hate to say it for the third time, but still, nobody's coming down the dock looking for their ski. And we are several minutes into this now. I mean, my guess is this is this guy's ski. By 79th Street rules, he rescued it. It's still his. But look at him. He's like, is there nobody? Is this nobody's ski? Is it mine now? I get to keep this one, bro? Oh man, the stuff we see down here at 79th, man, never ceases to amaze. Our crew's coming in. It looks like they were going to attempt at 4 and kind of missed. Oh, he almost tossed our guy out. Oh, that was closer than it looked. Our guy's still kind of in shock here. He's grabbing onto the rail this time. He's going to hold on for something as we come back in for the approach on 4. But the cap got a little handsy on the throttle there and literally almost tossed my man out the boat. But they've lined it back up, and we're going to reapproach over here on 4, and let's see if he can keep a steady throttle hand as we make this approach. And we've got a hand on the dock, and we're good. And our guy who's sitting here holding onto the pole, if I was him, I'd probably be grabbing for the dock as well pretty quickly and making sure I didn't get tossed. And here comes in one of our jet boat crews, and I got a feeling these guys are going to be up to the normal jet boat annex. And we're going for 3, and we've got a hand on 3, but now we're getting what looks like the push-off. We've kind of missed our setup on 3. So a little tap of reverse, but it's not going to give him quite the desired result I believe he was looking for. And now we're going to have to do the push-off on the ski as well. And They're getting themselves into a little bit of mischief down here. And we're coming back, and gotta be careful. You're gonna get that back corner of the boat underneath the dock. And that's exactly what we're gonna do. But they're trying to get some lines out. See if we can get this pulled in. Looks like we got a boat hook out as well. And this one should get us tied off. And, well, this is an interesting way to do the rear line. It looks like it's wrapped around the tower, connected to the cleat, and around the pole. That's definitely a new way of doing that. And at the same time our jet boat antics are going on, this is going on 4. We're going to do a little light knock into the dock on 4. And we're going to get a line off on the bow of the boat. But somebody's going to leave the bow of the boat here. And they've dropped the bow line. So we're going to get a stern line kicked back off and see if we can get this pulled back over. But without that bow line, basically we're just going to turn this thing sideways here and take up the whole docking area. Here we go. We're just going to tie that off on the 4-pole, and we'll let that happen. And this is a new way of reserving spaces down here at 79th. You know, just get your boat completely sideways and go ahead and block off the whole entrance. And this crew's been circling for a while now, waiting for the dock. The crewmate here has been putting some fenders out on the side of the boat, kind of get some stuff going. I'm assuming they found what they're looking for at the dock, but Captain's left the helm, and I'm pretty sure this boat's still in gear. And it's kind of hauling tail now. Cap realizes now he's messed up. Uh-oh, we're going into the trees. Oh, man. Quick speed check, but we're already into the bushes. He just let that one get away, and this is why you don't leave the helm. And there are new laws about this now. I mean, any vessel under 26 foot, you're supposed to be wearing the safety kill lanyard. I'm just guessing by the way he was in the bow of the boat that he probably wasn't wearing it. He could have the wireless one, but I'm betting he just doesn't have it on. And here comes our crew in, and we got Little Man going for the assist here. He looks pretty stoked. He's got his line, and he's ready to try and nail this in one shot. And the crew is making the slow roll approach. In on 4. Little Man's limbering up. He's ready for it. And here comes our crew in. Little Man's going to go for either the grab or the pull toss. He goes for the grab, and whoa, bro. Why is everybody going to crowd me? Little Man has it, but for some reason everybody decided they were going to give Little Man a little bit of a bear hug. Pretty much, bro, why you got to crowd me? Little Man had it under control, but everybody else wanted to jump in, and I'm assuming these guys will get this one tied off, and they'll go ahead and get out of here. And we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, be sure to check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down there at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet, Miami, Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.